Discover the thrill of a lifetime with a helicopter hunting adventure worth $300,000. Helicopter hunting is not just a sport. It's an incredible adventure waiting to be explored. Imagine soaring over breathtaking landscapes in a luxurious helicopter, equipped with the most advanced hunting gear. This multi-million-dollar experience promises excitement, luxury, and unforgettable memories. While the allure of helicopter hunting is undeniable, it comes with its own set of challenges and risks. Navigating difficult terrain from high above and tracking elusive prey require precision and skill. The adrenaline rush of the chase is matched only by the obstacles that hunters must overcome to succeed. The adventure begins with boarding a state-of-the-art helicopter, designed for both comfort and functionality. These helicopters are outfitted with the latest technology, ensuring a seamless and luxurious hunting experience. The destinations are as exotic as they are diverse, offering a new challenge and landscape at every turn. The heart-pounding climax of the adventure occurs when hunters spot their prey from high above. The intense chase that follows is a blend of strategy, skill, and sheer excitement. From the moment the prey is in sight, every second counts, making this the ultimate hunting experience. As the helicopter lands after the adventure, the memories of the thrilling chase, the luxurious flight, and the breathtaking views linger. This $300 million helicopter hunting experience is more than just a hunt. It's a testament to the thrill, luxury, and unique experiences that await those daring enough to embark on it.